The Dominican Republic is home to some of the most breathtaking beaches on Earth and incredibly rich marine ecosystems. Coral reefs provide habitat for fish, are essential in building beaches and protecting them from erosion, and provide recreational and tourism opportunities. Coral reefs, however, are in grave danger. They are threatened by overfishing, agriculture, coastal development, and climate change. Staghorn coral populations, a major Caribbean reef-building species, have declined over 98% in the last 4 decades. To confront these threats, the Puntacana Ecological Foundation, with support from the Inter-American Development Bank through the Multilateral Investment Fund, is leading the way with an innovative coral conservation and restoration program. In reef restoration, surviving coral fragments are collected from the wild and grown in underwater nurseries. In addition, the Ecological Foundation has also created the Coral First Aid PADI Specialty Dive Certification, a course designed to involve local fishermen and tourists in current restoration efforts. Countrywide, the Foundation has created 9 coral nurseries and has 4 more in development. The corals are attached to frames in these nurseries in parts of the ocean with better water quality. Nurseries provide a safe haven for these coral to flourish, and then different methods taught in the course are used to replant them back onto the reef. Over 1,665 meters of coral tissue were being grown at the Puntacana Coral Nursery alone. Commonly referred to as rainforests of the sea, coral reefs are the lifeblood of the ocean, teeming with beauty and diverse animal species. Restoration activities safeguard endangered coral species and rehabilitate the local ecosystem. Countrywide, 44 restoration outplant sites have been established, with 35 in Puntacana alone. Over 1,000 meters of coral tissue have been transplanted back onto the reef. The Ecological Foundation, with partners from University of Miami and Counterpart International, has certified 10 local fishermen in reef restoration and educated close to 450 students and tourism professionals about the work. The Foundation's reef protection now provides new livelihoods, protects the ecosystem, and supports the tourism industry of the Dominican Republic. Without coral reefs, there would be no beaches, and without beaches, this astounding paradise would cease to exist.